classrooms have grown in popularity in the past few years. This approach for teaching students redefines the role of the teacher and gives new opportunities for students to learn content by taking advantage of resources available through the internet and mobile devices. In contrast to a traditional approach to teaching, where the teacher gives content to students in school and students do their primary problem solving or creating at home, the flipped classroom approach provides content to the student at home, then uses the classroom experience to solve problems and create solutions. Until recently, research on flipped classrooms has been sparse. How do we know if flipped classroom is really an improvement in teaching methodology? How can we use research to improve our flipped classroom practices? In 2011, a pilot project began in Stillwater, Minnesota. This pilot project included 6 fifth grade math classrooms in 5 different schools who decided to flip their classroom. This pilot project expanded to 25 elementary classrooms within 1 year. In 2013, the Center for Applied Research and Educational Improvement at the University of Minnesota conducted research on elementary flipped math classrooms in Stillwater and published their results. Using this research, Stillwater re-examined its practices and designed modifications. These practices include using the reflections from students to improve the video content by making the videos shorter and more interesting, designing more effective processes for students who find math difficult to learn by creating and curating videos from multiple perspectives, and creating branching videos that include user-selected options for receiving and responding to content, increasing the production of student-generated content, addressing the drop of student engagement in flipped classrooms towards the end of class periods by implementing an internal communication network among flipped classroom teachers for exchanging ideas on flipped classroom strategies, and examining the implications of modifying flipped classroom practices to include the full range of blended classroom practices beyond flipped classrooms.